If you're using media queries for your WordPress components, while you're making mistakes with these CSS Container Queries, where you can change its style, the layout, and also the animation based on the size of its parent container. Okay. And not the whole browser. So here in Oxygen, just set the parent container, type initialize, and use the simple @container, which I added a code in this code block here. So let's look over the code. Okay, so this is the whole CSS code. So I added a class in the parent section here. As you can see, we have the class, and in child section, which is this box, I also added a class which is called cQueryChild, and this is the code. This is the CSS code. Okay, you can type it manually if you want. Okay, so what this does is it smoothly fade in and grow when the screen is about to change the minimum width. So I will show it to you guys. So let's check and look at here. We change the response, and if here click the small screen, as you can see, it animate in a smooth animation. Scale up depends on the space that we have here. Okay, again, so this is the CSS code here. Just copy this one. This is the parent CSS, the child CSS. Okay, and of course the keyframes, which is this one, keyframes. You can remove this one if you want. Okay, you can adjust, depends on your preference. Okay. Okay, so this is the code here, and if you're interested, you can also join our membership only, and we can discuss about this one, or if you want to implement this one to your website, then just let me know. Thank you.